Hello, my name is Jamie Perry, Senior Vice President here at Mason-McBride Summit Risk Management. What I wanted to talk to you today about is cyber insurance and a clause within an insurance policy called ransomware or extortion. Right now, statistically, that seems to be the most prevalent hacker attack that we see since 2016. And what it is the hackers get into your system, take over it and encrypt it, and then come back to you and try to extort money out of you to either uncrypt it or provide you with an encryption file that allows you to do that. There's a couple problems with that we see. One of them is there is no guarantee you will receive your information back once you pay the ransomware, as again we're dealing with criminals. The other is that if we do get the information back, how much of the information has been sent off to the dark web for sale from a privacy information. So a couple of examples that I want to share with you of companies that have actually closed due to a ransomware was, according to healthitsecurity.com, there's a ear, nose, and throat and hearing aid center in Battle Creek, Michigan that hackers got in, encrypted the data, and then requested a $6,500 ransomware. The doctors at this particular practice chose not to pay the ransomware and have a third party come in and try to unencrypt it and then recover the data. And unfortunately, they weren't successful and closed the practice shortly after that. Another one was a medical center in California. That same scenario, the hackers got in, tried to do a ransomware. The doctors tried to unencrypt the information and were unsuccessful. The backup systems that they had in place were also encrypted by the hackers, so they had no access to their backup systems. And unfortunately for them, they also chose to close the operation. The problem we see with not only the cyber is now, because these are healthcare facilities, now you have a potential med-mal claim of patients not being able to access their records when they go to find a new doctor, or in this case a new ear, nose, and throat specialist. So again, we strongly recommend, number one, cyber insurance, but making sure that the ransomware extortion coverage is in that policy. And again, in closing, if you're a client of Mason-McBride, I want to thank you for being a client, and we appreciate your business, and we would love to talk to you about any cybersecurity needs you may have. Thank you.